Cannon Road going to Pangasinan na lang. Tayo.
Dating sa baba.
Oo.
Ito
Yan.
yung tuba.
Ito,
Tuba Bengi.
Tuba Benguet. Lugar ng Lasinggo sa Tuba. Alam mo yung Tuba?
Oo.
Yung coco wine.
But I think the bald eagle were starting to notice all those chicken traffic, and they're starting to throw around. Oh my God, look at the kamatis. It's what's that? 75 pesos ang isang bag, isang sako.
Yun ding, 75 lang yan?
Yeah, wala naman siyang kiluhan, tsaka sako-sako.
Come on.
75 siguro sa sako na. No, it's the tomato. It was displayed as and then it says 75 pesos.
Saan galing yung tubig na yan, oh?
Sa mountain, sa taas. Why don't do it 75 pesos? It was laid down inside the snow.
Doon yung may aso din. Aso na yun, oh. Paka-sexy pa.